Good morning, welcome back to a new video. It's a beautiful calm day. It's pretty much windless and it's pretty warm for start of November. It's nearly start of November, it's end of October. And we want to get this roof closed up because it is leaking right on our firewood and also leaking inside and into the workshop. So we want to close it up as much as possible. We just need to pretty much fix this one line of tiles on both sides. It's been missing and it should be sealed. That's all we really need to do. And there's one tile missing on the fully other side, which we're gonna go take care of, and some of the metal on the top corner, which we can now reach with the other extension roof. So yeah, let's get started, get the ladder here and see if we can put the roof tiles back on.
We wanted to do it already last year, but the winter came too early, so we have to do it now or never.
The water is not as bad as snow. Snow gets really in there.
Okay.
So as you can see, we have done the easy part. The harder part is the very top. Of course, we have the other side to do as well. But yes, we are reusing the tiles from the chicken house just because what other tiles could we use for this? We're not going to replace it. It's a kind of a temporary fix for a few years probably. But it's not the prettiest, that I understand. But it's going to keep the water out, which is the most important. So yeah, it's been getting rotten, the whole beams. And if we don't put the roof on, it's just going to rot away. And it's going to be nothing left of the wood. So yeah, let's get done with the top. I don't know how to even get up there. So before we get up at the top, I think we're gonna do it this way, where we put the one ladder on top of another like we did the antenna. The wind has ripped off one of the tiles actually in these past days, so we're gonna attach that back on, and then it's 4 more tiles till the top, and then one on the other side, and then we're done with this side and one more left on that corner. And then the roof is sealed. So as you can see, it's all sealed from both of these sides, that side and that side. It's looking a lot better, and also it's gonna keep a lot of water and snow out, because it was quite a nightmare. In the winter it would blow full of snow, and in the rest of the year it would just be all water leaking in. And the stork taking poo-poo, because he's sitting on the roof and he's pooping into the barn, so he had made piles inside the barn. Not the best. So now it should be sealed. Let's go on the other side. There's one more there and maybe a few more on the other side to close up, and then the roof is done. We are ready for the winter. So, as you can see, it is all done. It's gonna be a lot better, I think, with the weather not going in there and ruining our material and the barn itself. We don't want the beams of the barn to be rotting away just because there's some holes in the roof. So it is a quick, simple fix. For now, it's staying like this. It's gonna be used for storage and as our workshop slash garage. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. This was the project of the day, but we have a lot more work to do on the entrance house. I hope the days stay like this and we can do a lot more. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.
We actually made it before the rain, but hopefully there's no rain coming, because we have enough. I think it's enough rain.
Yes, it's getting too wet.